When in the dawn of time, life had begun, from single-cell organisms to modern-day man. Through the endless ages, nature's song played, evolution's cadence followed, a masterpiece displayed, a masterpiece displayed.
Damn, who knew? Oh, we've come so far from the ancient past, adapting and surviving and evolving so fast. In every animal, a story lies within the DNA, and to unfold the tales of yesterday. Through evolution, some are predators and others are the prey. Good genes had stayed, changes and progress made, and so we ended up with an upgrade. Parody Weinberg happens when there's no genetic variation, when there's random mating, and when there's no mutation, and finally with a large population.
Ocean, oceans, to birds in the sky, and from crawling little creatures to the ones that can fly. With every step forward, new adaptations, and survival of the fittest, shaping generations, shaping generations.
Analyze the DNA for the wonders of transformation, and find some ancient creatures a heavenly orchestration, and every living being a glimmer of its creation. A testament to nature, an incredible sensation. Through the trials and challenges, we have come so very far. Evolution's melody, an eternal superstar. Parody Weinberg happens when there's no genetic variation, when there's random mating, and when there's no mutation, and finally with a large population.
I see life's endless flow, yeah, from tiny seeds to giants grown, and every creature's heart is a work of art. So let us marvel at this grand design, and the charm of advancement, a tapestry that aligns. And in the dance of time, we'll find our place. Oh, a celebration of life's magnificent embrace.